We're at the park right now, and here's the stand for the rocket. We'll ignite the rocket from here, and it'll blast up. We're launching the rocket right now, or not? Fail try number 1.
Did it work?
Okay, try number 2.
3, 2, 1.
Fail try number 2. Fail try number 3.
It doesn't work. I've launched rockets before.
Fail try number 5 or 4? 4.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Try number 5. Try number 6. Try number 7. Yeah, so we didn't get to launch the rocket, and it wasn't because of the rocket itself, surprisingly. We would know that on the 7th try, because we took off the 2nd stage and used the 1st stage, and the likelihood of both the 1st stage and the 2nd stage being broken is really low. So we think that the problem is from the igniter, and so the igniter would be that like small remote that you saw, which was connected to the rocket with the wires. And what it does is that when you click it, it sends a current and then it puts a spark right beside the rocket engines, and then ba-boom, you know, it goes up. But for us, that didn't happen because the igniters need a really specific type of battery called alkaline earth batteries, which we didn't know back then, and so we didn't use it. And I don't exactly know why it needs that type of battery, but yeah, it didn't work. How we made it is that first we 3D printed the body. So all the yellow pieces that you see were 3D printed, and we designed the 3D print on Tinkercad, then printed it at our schools. And then today we met up and put the pieces together first of all, and made sure that they'll stick. We took the rocket engines from a few different rockets. So I believe these are B-94s, if you see them right there. And there's 2 of these. This is the 2nd stage right here. We held it in with some paper clips and made sure that it's straight. And basically this will propel the rocket. So first we'll light it up with the igniter, and then it will start to propel the rocket upwards. And after the fuel is finished, it'll give a small burst through the top, and then it'll light up the 1st stage right here. When the 1st stage lights up, it'll continue the job, and it'll continue going up. And then when the 1st stage finishes, it'll also give a small burst. You can't see it, but it would give a small burst upwards, which would make the nose cap fall off and throwing out a parachute. We'll be trying again, I think, this Friday, so I'll keep you guys posted.